I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Square app is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Square app. Launch the Square app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access payment settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings and then Payments. Step 3. Add a credit card. In the Payments section, look for the option to add credit card. Tap on it to begin entering your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your information, tap Save to store your credit card details. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Happy selling!